Aquarius, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your you versus them energy check-in, and this will be a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Also, this is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus. So please check your placements before watching the reading. And please remember that the roles might get reversed at any point of time, so take it how it fits into your situation. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Also, please remember that this reading will be for only those people who are in some sort of connection or feel some sort of connection towards someone. This is not for people who are not in any form of connection or have nobody to connect with currently. So, just take it, I hope you understand that. So, it's not for people otherwise, who are not in any form of connection or not connected to anybody in particular. Right, let's begin and see. First, we'll see your energy. Aquarius, we'll see your energy first. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what is your energy from 15th till the 30th of November. What is your energy like from the 15th till the 30th of November? What is your energy like from the 15th till the 30th of November? What is your energy like from the 15th till the 30th of November? Let's find out. What is your energy like from the 15th till the 30th of November? What is your energy like from the 15th to the 30th of November? What is your energy like? Let's find out. Aquarius. What is your energy like? Aquarius. Okay. So, beautiful energy, I would say. You have the Six of Wands, the Fool and the Emperor. You are feeling very victorious in the situation, ready to take lots of risk and risks towards anybody to begin with, and you are ready to take a leap of faith in the situation as well. You are basically, but, there is a but. You want things your way. You want things to be your way. You will not adjust, you will not compromise, you will not, you're very stubborn basically. So you will not compromise with any other choices or any other decisions. You have your own decisions set in your mind. You will work accordingly. You will not bend. That is your final thing. You are an attention seeker as well. You are seeking a lot of attention from people at this point of time because you are very stable, very grounded, and very, very attractive at this point of time. So people are attracted towards you, getting lots of attention, and you are ready to begin afresh, begin new, and begin a new chapter in your life if the need be. If you're ready to take the leap of faith, you're ready to take risks of any sort at this point. So your energy is very clear. You don't have any sort of burden in your aura. At the same time, you want things your way. So certain aspects of ego is there. Okay, let's see what is your person's energy like. What is your person's energy like? Aquarius. We are doing Aquarius, yes. Maybe you're connecting with the Libra because I was about to say Libra. Okay. So, Aquarius, what is your person's energy like? 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 Aquarius, what is your person's energy like? 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 Aquarius, what is your person's energy like? Let's see. What is your person's energy like? What is your person's energy like? What is your person's energy like? Let's see. Okay, Aquarius. So your person has the Sun, the Hanged Man, and the Seven of Swords. So your person is basically happy in their own world. They're sneaking around, they're doing things behind your back, and still happy because that's what they like doing. That's what they like doing. And maybe in the past they kept doing this thing and that it kept them happy, but now they are in an introspection mode. They're introspecting their behavior, they're introspecting their actions of the past, and they're trying to figure out if there is something else, or you make them more happy than anything else. So they are also ready to extend an offer towards you, offer of love, towards you. Knight of Cups, you can see. So offer of love towards you, they're ready to extend that, because now they've realized that you are the one that give them immense happiness, not anybody else. You give them immense happiness, and so it is you they should be going towards. They are done sneaking around, they're done fooling around, they're done fucking around and everything of that sort. They are now coming towards you because they have realized you are the ultimate source of their happiness, not anybody else. Okay, so they are now coming to a mature phase, I would say. They are maturing gradually, so they are coming out of that immature and volatile energy. So they have been in the hangman position, they've been introspecting, and they've been realizing this. And you have two major arcana, so definitely major change, and they will come towards you also with an offer. They're planning to come towards you with an offer, and you are on the other hand very victorious, and you are oscillating in a very high vibration, I would say, very, very high vibration. So I'm not sure if you'll accept this person back, because you know your worth now. Let's see what is the outcome of the situation. What is the outcome of the situation? What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? Let's find out what will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius. What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? Let's find out what will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius. What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? What will be the outcome of the situation, Aquarius? Let's find out. Okay. What will be the outcome? So the outcome will be, okay. So one of the persons, like I told you, this person is coming towards you with the offer. You had the Knight of Cups only for the person, and the card has again come up. So this person is coming towards you with the offer, but you have your walls up. I told you, you are in a very high vibration right now. I don't see you accepting the offer. Once a person realizes their potential, they are out of that shitty energy, the energy that does not serve them anymore. You care for the person until and unless you realize your worth. Once you realize that, once you realize your potential, there is nothing stopping you. Nobody can take you for granted then. So this person is looking for some sort of change in the situation. You can see the Wheel of Fortune. This person wants a change in the situation, and this person is praying that the situation changes between you two. But for now, it might even change. Let me tell you, it might even change. But it will take some time for the wheel to turn, because you have the card of celebration at the bottom of the deck. So you might reunite with this person, but only after they have learnt their lesson and accepted your worth in the situation. Okay, so they have to also respect you to have you back into their life. So maybe this is person, someone you have been dealing with, and you have certain issues between you two. It is possible, or something major that has been having you not talking to each other, or maybe this is a new person that is having their walls up because they've seen you fooling around, because they've seen you sneaking around, and they're not entertaining that at all. So you have to change yourself, and you have to come towards them realizing their worth, because they have that potential. So the other person has to change their worth, change themselves, whatever. So this is your reading, Aquarius. I hope you enjoyed the reading. I will see you soon in the next reading. Till then, stay happy and stay blessed. I love you, Aquarius. Thank you. Namaste.